Happy second to last full week of school, my Van Horn staff. Today is May 13th, and this is this week's communication. I apologize for it coming out a little bit late, but I did not work on Mother's Day, so I'm getting this to you now. And remember, our purpose to empower all to be successful today for a better tomorrow. All right, some updates. We are going to do our CAS makeup test this week. Send names to Ms. Moore. She already has those names, and then students should be heading over there at about 8:15 to room 34. We're hoping that students can get these wrapped up over the course of the next few days, and then we can start seeing some of our preliminary results. We have interim assessments for K through second grades. If you have not sent me your testing schedule and procedure yet, please do so that we can have that protected time for the interim assessments for K through second grade. The STAR reading and math assessment windows are open for first through sixth grades, so please schedule that into your plans over the course of the next 2 weeks. We have our open house and family picnic this Thursday, May 16th. All students are going to eat outside on that day, and it's also a 1 hour early out. As I've been saying, teachers, you have your 30-minute lunch, and then you need to head to your classrooms and have those doors open for an hour. Mr. Haycock and I will be circulating, making sure that students are not coming into your classrooms without a parent. Also, we have AVID interviews this week for our sixth graders going into seventh grade. We have Thompson Junior High on campus today at 11:10, and we have Actus on campus on Friday at 9:30. I've had to reschedule our administrative professional lunch for the office staff. It is going to be tomorrow, May 14th at 11:15 a.m. Thank you to those who signed up to support the office. I'll be sending an email reminder to you today to let you know of the times that you signed up. We will have our open house serpentine on May 17th. We will start at around 8 o'clock in the morning. Please keep your doors open for us to walk through, and we will have a map to you later this week. As we're walking through classrooms, teachers, please remind your students to have their stingers or their hands behind their back so that we are not touching things in other classrooms. Also, we will have an intermediate chorus assembly on May 17th. That is for 4th through 6th grade students at 1:30 in the multipurpose room, and it's about a 20-minute performance. All right, shout outs. Thank you to Miss Bethany, Miss Melissa, Miss Chris for being flexible in postponing the Administrative Professionals Day luncheon. I think we've had to postpone twice, so hopefully tomorrow works out. Thank you to Miss Bethany and Mrs. Wolgamith for supporting the office while Melissa was out sick. Thank you to Miss Heinley, Mr. Williams, and Mrs. Smith for organizing this speech SST for one of our first grade students. Thank you to Mr. Haycock for covering Miss Heinley's class during that SST. Thank you to Mrs. Akins for helping with the CASP blast on Friday and helping with the third grade classroom in the morning due to a late sub. Thank you to Miss Kathy, Miss Elva, and Miss Olga for getting the NPR ready for the CASP blast. And then finally, thank you to Mrs. Bruce and her years of service to the students of Van Horn. She will be at Williams School next year, so we wish her luck and congratulations to her new baby. All right, please remember our school-wide foci, planning and instruction for ELA and math, data-driven instruction, and backwards mapping, and our PBIS school-wide matrix, lining up and walking in the hallways. Have a fabulous week.